This video will demonstrate how to set up and use the Excyte Mini Automated ESR Analyzer. Excyte Mini will ship with a startup binder, a box of Excyte tubes, and CLIA kit of Excyte Plus controls. Place your analyzer on a flat surface away from other equipment, especially centrifuges. If you're not using the optional external printer and scanner, simply plug in one end of the power cord to the analyzer and the other into a wall outlet. If you are using the optional accessories, you'll need to connect those first. First, insert the three-way connector into the analyzer. Insert the scanner cable into the three-way connector port labeled Scanner and secure. Insert the printer cable into the three-way connector port labeled Printer. Secure it, then plug the power adapter for the barcode scanner into the wall outlet. The optional printer does not have an external power adapter. Once connected, enable the printer by flipping the numbers 4 and 8 dip switches on the back panel of the analyzer to the on position. If you choose to run a 15-minute test, you'll need to flip switch number 6 to on. In this video, we'll run the default 30-minute analysis. Press the on switch on the back panel of the analyzer to turn the system on. It will perform a self-test to check for proper operation. Next, you will verify the analyzer following the CLIA quality control validation protocol using Excyte Plus controls. Excyte Plus are bi-level controls labeled normal and abnormal. Normal has a white cap, while abnormal has a red cap. Following the IFU, you'll need to mix the vials until the red cells are resuspended. Using a transfer pipette, fill the Excyte tube with one of the controls between the two lines. Replace the cap onto the tube, then mix the sample by doing 10 top-to-bottom inversions. For the CLIA protocol, fill 5 Excyte tubes with normal controls and 5 Excyte tubes with abnormal controls. Before inserting, remix to ensure your sample is well mixed. Once complete, record these values on the CLIA verification protocol form. Using the same samples, remix doing 10 top-to-bottom inversions, and rerun an additional 2 times to obtain a total of 30 results. All results should fall within the control ranges found on the Excyte Plus IFU. For quality control, ELITechGroup recommends running fresh controls each day of use. Use the method previously shown to run the daily controls. Once the controls have been run and are in range, you are ready to run patient samples. Patient samples are run using the same method as controls, by inserting a well-mixed sample into any open position. If using the optional barcode scanner, scan the patient ID on the tube, then insert the well-mixed sample within 15 seconds. Once inserted, the analyzer identifies the position and analysis starts automatically. Results will display after 30 minutes and print if a printer is connected. If your Excyte Mini is connected to your LIS using the Excyte data converter, results will automatically transmit. If your system is not connected to an LIS, record the results before removing samples. Once analysis is complete and results have been recorded, remove and discard the tubes. Contact technical support for more information on interfacing. Your Excyte Mini ESR Analyzer is now ready for the next batch of samples. To learn more, contact your ELITechGroup sales representative or find us at getexcited.com.